Something that we talk through on our private lessons a lot, and there's a reason why, because we need a lot of time to talk about it, is profit taking. Now, a lot of people say, you know, you won't go... I mean, when I first started trading, people said, oh, you know that saying, you won't go broke taking a profit. That's a load of crap. If you take your profits too early, you won't last as a trader. If you're trading markets, the futures, commodities markets and things like that, when I first started trading, I had a few positions on oil and gold, and I'd be like 150 quid up, and within minutes I'd be on a loss, and I think, why didn't I take that? And sometimes you just... It's different on shares because of the spread and commission and that you can't be in and out as much, but the principle still remains the same. But on futures and things, so many times you'll be in a profit and you'll end up not making a loss, but you'll be down on the trade, and then it'll go back up, and you think, sometimes you just need to take a profit. If you are in a profit of 100 quid on the bond market or the FTSE, take it. Unless you're a really, really good trader and you know it's going to hit a certain point, then fair enough. Let your profits ride, because you need big profits and small losses. But sometimes on these very volatile markets, take your profits, because you can sell, you can buy something, sorry, it goes up and you sell at a profit and it keeps going, and you can kick yourself and think, oh, why did I sell? I knew it was going to go up. Don't worry about it. It's better, guys, it is so much better to be out of a position wishing you were still in it than in a losing position wishing you was out of it. So you might have bought, it's gone down, and you're thinking, I wish I was not in this position because this is a nightmare position. So someone, when you sold and made a profit, someone's actually making a loss at that time. So don't worry about taking your profits too early. Just do it, move on to something else. Don't sit there watching the price go up and kick yourself, because next time you'll sell, or you'll think of selling and it'll go down. So secure your profit, because another thing I noticed when I first started trading, on the indices, because you can do ins and outs, when I first started trading, when I was learning this, I was making quite a few losses, and I thought, why is this happening? Because even if I was gambling and I bought, there's a 50-50 chance of it going up to going down, right? So I should be making roughly 50% profits, 50% losses. It doesn't work like that, because a lot of the trades that you make a loss on, you start in, it'll go up and you'll actually be in profit. Because what do people do when you buy something, it goes down? You have a stop loss. So that loss gets banked. You've made a loss. Whereas people have a reverse attitude with their profits. They let their profits go up and up, and they think, yeah, this is brilliant, I knew this was going to happen, that's why I bought it. And you think it's going to go up even more, and then it turns around and goes down, and then you think, oh my god, I need to get out because it's tanking. So think about it, guys. Secure your profits, and the way to do that sometimes is bring your stop loss up. If you buy something and it goes up, bring your stop loss to break even. So if you bought the FTSE at 6,000 and it goes up to, I don't know, 6,010, bring your stop loss to 6,000, or maybe if you can, if there is enough leeway, because it's a volatile market, you don't want to get stopped out at break even when actually you could have let it a bit looser. But bring your stop loss up as soon as you can on any trade to break even. So the worst that can happen is you can break even break even. And then as the price goes up, bring your stop loss up. Price is going up, bring your stop loss up. And then if the market tanks and goes much below where you bought, it doesn't matter because you've been stopped out in profit. And it's things like that that are the difference between people who make it as a trader and don't make it as a trader.